Thank you for joining us. We're Jack and Mary, and we're full-time RVers traveling the country and exploring new places. I'm also an artist, and we're always looking to capture our adventures on canvas. So come along and let's go chasing some landscapes. Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to Brazos Bend State Park, and it should take us about 37 minutes to get there, and so we'll show you what it looks like when we get there, okay? All right. So you guys, this Brazos Bend State Park, they're supposed to have a lot of alligators. They have like information about them. They tell you to stay 30 feet away from the alligators if you see one. And it says that most people think that they're slow. They said they can run faster than you for at least 30 feet. So that's why they want you to stay 30 feet away from them so that you can get a head start. So, if we see any, we'll show you. There's a gator on the side. Sitting on the sign. Turkey vultures. And you're going on a perfect line. All right, we're not in straight, but we're I think this is doable, so let's get her chalked up and ready to move in. A little bit more. Okay, stop. I forget what they call those gators here that are turtle. Hey, little turtle.
Be careful, there's alligators here.
I didn't even see him when we passed by here. Yeah, there's some rooting from the wild hog. Some more damage right there. I think we're seeing more wildlife here than we did on that trail in Florida. There was water around. There she blows. What is that?
That's some...
Oh, crud.
He doesn't look to be doing too good.
No, he's missing his tail. Pretty little flowers. Okay, we're on the observation tower. You can see for a good long way from here. bird fight.
So those two birds, there was two big birds started coming this way, and he moved over.
There's a gator. Hear that? Oh. I don't see anything.
He didn't like that sound. He's coming our way.
I'm getting out of here. Oh. I thought I heard one over here too.
He was coming out.
I know. I didn't want to be there when he did.
I kind of did.
Unless we get up on that observation deck thing.
See, like they want to hang out and catch one of these birds.
Oh, there's
Delicacy.
a crawfish claw. I keep hearing him growling now. He's a big one. Just as long as they don't start growling at each other. Oh crap.
That was not fun.
Did he do that at you?
Yeah, I think so.
What the heck?
There's another one. See him? Straight ahead. Pointing right at us. He'll be able to swim real fast this way. Climb right up.
Brazos Bend State Park has a nature center that's really pretty cool. It has a lot of cool stuff in there. And so we went over there to take a look this morning, and it was pretty neat. We rode our bikes over there, so here's some stuff that we saw while we were there. That's about all you can see of their heads when they're in the water. Oh, little babies. Look at crawdad down there. Here's the ranger holding a baby alligator for anyone to hold or pet if they wanted to. But check out these artifacts and stuff they've actually taken pictures of at the park. I mean, I think some of this belongs in National Geographic magazine, don't you? Yes, that is a gator in that other gator's mouth. I didn't know that they would do that, but there you have it. And here's a picture I took of a water moccasin I spotted while I was taking a walk. This egret is saying, "You're my best friend, right?" He followed this deer down to where the deer is grazing right now. It was so quiet outside last night. Just the sound of the birds this morning.
Yeah, we haven't stayed at a place like this so quiet
For a while.
For a while. Really appreciate it.
It's almost like you hear that song. Dun, 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 dun. I wonder if that deer walks away, what that egret's gonna do. I thought we were friends.
Hi. Want to let you guys know we're at a fantastic place, Brazos Bend State Park.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's really awesome. It has lots and lots of wildlife that you want to see, and we've seen alligators, large alligators, and we've seen lots of deer and lots of birds, and we've seen a snake, and there's lots of things. However, there's another part of what we're doing. We're camping in the summertime. And so what that means, this place is very, very lush. We got mosquitoes going on crazy time.
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah, so I mean, we're definitely using all that we can. And it helps 90% of the time, but there's still parts of it that it misses, you know, they still get by. But so really the moral of that story is be prepared. Know where you're going and get prepared as you possibly can.
What did we want to talk about here?
Well, there's another topic that came up at arose once we got here, and that was the front landing gear, the gear inside of the front leg of not the lead leg, but the lag leg. It's going to need to be replaced with the gears inside need to be replaced. So I've ordered that on Amazon. I've watched Google stuff, and I knew what it was. I've had other issues with the landing leg before. Other items have broke, and landing legs definitely that's an issue. And without proper landing legs, vacation's not as fun, or your time
Right.
is not as fun. So it's really important. Let me show you. Let me take you along and show you what I'm looking at. Inside here, it's this landing leg here, and so currently I'm attached, and because that's the only way. We took it off. We took it off the jack, and we pulled the truck out, and then all of a sudden this trailer, it dropped like 2 inches, just like that. And which was a scary feeling. And so we knew we had to get, I knew I had to get it back on the truck. So I did get it back on the truck. It was a little challenging, but I did. And so let me show you. This is the landing leg that has failed, and the gears are underneath the cap up here. And so I'm going to have to remove the entire leg and get inside of there and replace the gear. And I'll take you along with me when I do it, because it's an easy fix, and it's a fix that you should know how to do, and I'll show you how to do it.
Okay, so we know what the problem is. We know how to solve the problem, but we're limited because we're at a park that we don't have our main mode of transportation. Our resources are limited right now because we can't unhook from the truck to go and get stuff. And another factor is that we're kind of a long distance away from, you know, a town that's big enough to sell this kind of stuff. So that's another big issue. So with that, we kind of have to, you know, take things in stride and just kind of move on with our plans as such.
Some problems that you have, you're not going to be able to solve them right away. It's going to take a little bit of time. Your RV is defective at the moment. You know, my RV is not, it's not right.
Hey, thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And please share with your friends. Got a question, comment, or suggestion? Please let us know.